Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You found an Apple Watch. Start now by powering it on and checking battery level, because a half-dead device will interrupt the process. Next, look for a passcode or activation screen so you know whether pairing is possible. If the watch is paired, use the paired iPhone, otherwise, proceed from the watch itself. Make sure you have your own Apple ID information nearby. Once done, you'll be ready to access the reset options and move into the unpairing or factory reset steps. If the watch is still paired, use the paired iPhone. Open the watch app, choose the watch, and tap unpair. This removes activation lock when you enter the Apple ID password, so do that now. If no pairing exists, on the watch go to Settings, right arrow, General, right arrow, Reset, right arrow, Erase all content and settings and confirm. You may need to enter the watch passcode. Once confirmed, the watch will erase itself. Make sure the watch stays connected and charged while the reset completes. When the process finishes, you'll see the Hello screen. This indicates a successful factory reset and that the device is ready to pair. If activation lock appears, you must have the original owner's Apple ID and password. Otherwise, you cannot activate it. If the reset fails or the watch freezes, restart it by holding the side button and digital crown until it restarts. Make sure it has Wi-Fi, and if problems continue, contact Apple support with proof of found property.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.